Hello gorgeous people, my name is Sukanya. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all stepping into the new year's feeling refreshed, motivated and ready to glow. Because today's video is extra special and honestly one of the most exciting PR moments I have ever had. I really apologize for this nasal voice. It's because I have extreme cold and cough. I have not been feeling well from like last 2 weeks or so, and I have not been producing much content lately as well. It's the same reason I'm not feeling well, but guess what? I am back on track with this unboxing video. I am about to showcase and unbox the biggest PR gift ever from the brand Wiz. And let me tell you, these are not just boxes, these are actually very heavy, huge cartons. These are a full New Year lifestyle upgrade. From home care essentials that instantly lifts up your space to personal care must-haves, indulgent body care and skincare goodies that promises glow goals. This PR haul has everything. It's giving fresh start, self-care energy and that new year, new routine vibe that we all love. Wiz has truly gone all out with these ones, thoughtfully curating products that fit perfectly into your everyday life while still feeling luxurious and exciting. Whether you're someone who loves organizing, upgrading your skincare routines, pampering your body, or just simply enjoys discovering new high-quality products, then this haul is going to be a treat for you. So, if you love massive PR unboxing, aesthetic products, and all things self-care, then make sure that you grab your coffee, get comfy, and watch this video till the end, because this Wiz PR haul is something you don't want to miss. Also, the most important thing is that Wiz is having a huge Republic Day sale starting from the 23rd January 2026 till the 27th January, where you can buy your favorite products at a flat 50% off with pan-India free shipping for 5 days. Now with that being said, let us get into opening of these huge cartons. So I'm gonna start with this carton first. This is so huge and heavy. Oh my god, they have sent me like some huge cans. Oh my god. So this is the first can that I've gotten out from this carton. And this is the Wiz Clean Dishwash with the power of lemon. I think this would be enough for the whole year or what? Next we have this Womb Liquid Magic, which is a detergent for washing clothes. These are all 5-liter cans. I'm damn sure this is gonna be enough for at least 6 months to 1 year, depending on your family size. This is so heavy. This is the Wiz Clean Floor Cleaner with the power of rose. Then we have this 5-liter can of Wiz Clean Glass and Multi-Surface Cleaner. Wow, so home cleaning is definitely taken care of. So this huge carton had these 4 5-liter cans for my home cleaning purpose. I absolutely love it. The quantity is huge and it's definitely gonna be enough for this whole year. So now let us move on to the next carton. Wow, surprise, surprise! I really love these face sheet masks from Cara. I got all these 4. Let me see if there's more. No. Yeah, okay. I got this 4 face sheet mask, one in charcoal flavor. This is good for cleansing and purifying. Next, I've got this rice water face sheet mask for skin tightening. Then the last two face sheet masks are aloe vera face sheet mask for skin hydration. Yay! I absolutely love face sheet mask skincare. Very nice. A hand sanitizer. This is the Viz hand sanitizer. This is 70% alcohol based hand sanitizer that kills germs instantly. Oh, I have got another pack of Voom Liquid Matic. This is also a detergent for washing clothes. This is a 1 liter pouch. And the cans were like 5 liter cans. Alright, another floor cleaner pouch. Hey, I absolutely love these hand washes. These are Viz hand wash in cherry and lavender flavor. These are really good. These are very lightweight. They have glycerin in the formula, so they leave our hands soft and supple after every wash. Last but not the least, I absolutely love ThinkSkin body washes and shower gels. I've already created a video showcasing all of their different flavors, so go watch it. And my favorite is sandalwood. I really like the scent of sandalwood, so they have sent me a 5 liter can of sandalwood shower gel. Wow, this is definitely gonna last the whole year. There is no way I'm gonna finish it up before that. So with that, my haul is done. So this was the PR gift. I absolutely love the home care products. These are very, very essential for like literally each one of us. And as a content creator, I really have to make sure that everything around me is neat and clean and tidy. So the mirror glass or the multi-surface cleaner, the detergents for washing clothes, the floor cleaner, etc. Everything is really, really essential for each household. And also, I really, really like the hand washes and the sanitizer. Absolutely love the face sheet mask. And my favorite, sandalwood body wash. This is a great way to start the new year. And this is literally one of the best New Year PR package that I've ever received. It's so good, so thoughtful, and all of the products are really, really useful. I hope that you all have noted the products that you need for the coming year to elevate your home care and self-care. Do not forget to grab these products at half the price during the Republic Day sale. I will leave the website link below in the descriptions for Viz Value, which is literally one roof for all the products, including personal care, home care, self-care, skin care, body care, everything. Please comment below which products are your favorite and you are the most excited to try. Now for my personal recommendation, I really love the ThinkSkin body wash, especially in the sandalwood flavor. But you guys have to give the Cara face sheet mask a try. These are really good for your skincare. Also, I really love the hand washes and the sanitizer. Genuinely, all the products are pretty good quality at a very affordable price. So do not forget to check the website. If you guys like this PR haul unboxing, then give this video a thumbs up and also share it with literally everyone so that you all can enjoy the 50% off sale from 23rd January till 27th January and curate new routines for New Year. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content and also connect with me on other social media handles. So bye bye gorgeous people, I'll see you all in my next video.